Hi everyone, I am Dr. R. Swayam Prabha, Assistant Professor from the Department of Management Sciences, Hindustan College of Engineering Technology, Coimbatore. I am here today to present about research design. Let's see the definition of research design. Research design is a blueprint for collection, measurement, and analysis of your research data. It mainly outlines how your research will be carried out. Say for example, you are planning to construct a house. So before construction, you will have the blueprint, or you call it as a layout of your building, which explains about the square feet, the arrangement, the plan, and then it also briefs about the resources you require, such as manpower, time, etc. Similarly, for any researcher, blueprint of his research, that is the research design, is very essential because major decisions such as what, when, where, how much, by what means his research is to be carried out is mainly got once you have a research design in your hand. So it is an arrangement of conditions for collection and analysis of your data in order to give a relevance to your research purpose. A research design gives us more information about what is the study about, why the study is being made, where will the study be carried out, what type of data is required, where can the required data be found, at what time period the study is to be conducted, what is your sample design, what are the different techniques that you are going to adopt for your data collection, how you are planning to analyze your data, and what style of report are you planning for. Let's see what is the essentials of research design. It should be an activity and time-based plan. It should always be based on the research question. So once you have the research question, you can find out the research objective and also plan your research design. So it mainly guides you to select the appropriate information from where and what type of information that you need to collect. It also briefs about the relationship between the different variables that you include in the research. Outlines what are the procedures that is involved in your research activity. Any research design should be more appropriate, efficient, economical, flexible, and also adequate. Let's see what is the need for a research design. So as a researcher, you will have in your mind, should I have this research design, or without this research design, can I proceed with my research further? But if you're going to proceed with your research without a research design, you will end up in a trouble. Let's see why. So a research design gives you all details that makes your research more smooth sailing and your operations are completed in a well effective manner. Advanced planning of your methods, which includes the objective of your research, and also it helps to plan the availability of staff, time and money. So preparation of research design always helps you to minimize the error, and also the reliability of the results is much more effective when you are planning in advance and you have the research design in hand. Let's see what are the different features of a good design. So first is that the means of obtaining information, availability and skills of a researcher and his staffs, objective of the problem to be studied, nature of the problem to be studied, and the availability of time and money. So when you are planned in advance, your research design is much more appropriate in order to solve the research problems that you intend to study upon. So when you are designing a research design, you should have all these contents such as introduction, statement of problems, review of literature, scope of the study, based on which the objective of the study can be finalized. You can also use any conceptual model that is applicable for your study. You can frame the hypothesis based on the objectives which you intend to prove or disprove in your research. Also, it is essential to define the operational definitions of your concepts. You should also explain what is the significance of the study, what is the geographical location that is to be covered, time period, methodology, sample plan, and the tools that you use to gather your data. What is a plan for analyzing your data collected? Also explain in detail the chapter of your scheme, and you can well in advance plan for your time and budget. So these are the various contents that you need to have in your research design. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.